BG Industries introduces the revolutionary Profit Plus feeder. The Profit Plus feeder is designed by cattlemen for cattlemen. Would you like to save labor in your operation? Would you like to feed livestock in just minutes each day? Would you like to minimize feed waste? Would you like the ability to control the timing of your herd's calving? Then the Profit Plus feeder is the controlled, managed feeding system you've been looking for. The Profit Plus feeder is designed to handle large volumes of either tub ground hay rations or large round or square bales. Producers can analyze all their various feedstuffs and then grind the bales accordingly to make a balanced diet for their herd. Compared to feeding large round bales on the open range, cattlemen using the Profit Plus feeder can slash feed waste up to 20%. Constructed of heavy-duty square steel tubing, the Profit Plus feeder can be set up in less than 30 minutes. The Profit Plus feeder accommodates a wide range of cattle, from 300-pound calves to adult cows, including herd bulls. Cattlemen really appreciate the Profit Plus feeding system's large volume capacity, which requires filling just once every 10 to 15 days. Profit Plus feeding systems offer the producer maximum flexibility to meet any operational requirements. The Profit Plus feeder can be filled either from the side or from either end. After the feeder is filled, the control pins are placed in the middle rail of the side panels. Cattle are then free to eat from either side or end. After about 3 days, the cattle will have eaten the feed from all four sides as far as they can reach. The control pins can now be moved from the middle rail and placed in the first hole on the top rail of the end panels. The side panels can then be moved forward, allowing the cattle to reach the feed. At this point, the pins can be moved progressively toward the center each day. As you can see, the daily feeding process is quick and easy. Anyone can move the pins with little effort without special equipment. Also, there is no need to rake any of the feed down, as it will self-feed toward the cattle. The daily feeding process continues, taking just minutes each day, until the end panels are moved to within 4 feet of each other, allowing the cattle to completely clean up all the available feed with very little waste. It is recommended that manure be cleaned from around the Profit Plus feeder prior to refilling. The Profit Plus feeder does not need to be empty before it is refilled. This enables the operator to fill prior to severe weather for easier feeding and time management. As calving season approaches, the Profit Plus feeder provides an added benefit to the cattle operator. University research has proven that 85% of heifers and cows fed at dusk will deliver calves between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. By simply pulling the control pins at dusk, cows and heifers are much more likely to deliver when help is readily available, dramatically increasing your survival rates and your profits. The basic Profit Plus feeder is 24 feet wide by 24 feet long. It holds 17 ground bales, which will feed 65 cows for a 10-day period. The basic Profit Plus is completely expandable. By adding a center panel, the Profit Plus feeding system can be expanded in 24-foot increments. The 24 by 48-foot model holds 40 ground bales feeding 150 cows for 10 days. The 32 by 24-foot model holds 24 ground bales, which will feed 65 cows for 13 days. The 32 by 48-foot model holds 60 bales and will feed a 150 cow herd for 15 days. All Profit Plus feeders are equipped with an adjustable cable on each side to keep small calves from climbing into the feeder. Start saving time and minimizing feed waste with the rugged and easy-to-operate Profit Plus feeder, the feeder that pays for itself. For more information on the Profit Plus feeder, contact BG Industries in Waukene, Kansas. Call 1-800-446-9271.